Welcome to Digital Partipreneur, where we turn creativity into cash.
All right, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal, the Digital Partipreneur, and I'm going to show you today how to create your own custom coloring page with text inside ChatGPT. So the first thing you want to do is come over to ChatGPT, and once you are inside, you're going to use the following prompt. You're going to say, create a blank coloring page out of this image. And then you're going to hit this plus sign and you're going to add your image. So for instance, let's say we're going to use this image of this little girl for her birthday because we want to make a custom birthday coloring page. So we have the picture of the little girl, we uploaded it, and then we have our prompt, create a blank coloring page out of this image. Then we're going to click the arrow. We're going to let chat do its thing. Now once it's done downloading, then we are going to add text. Okay, so it's creating an image, may take a moment, and as you can see before our eyes, it's starting to generate. And it's looking really good so far. Now remember, this is the image that we uploaded, and this is the image that it is currently creating. So while it's still doing that and it's still adding details, let's get our next prompt ready. So all we have to do is just click send. So for our next prompt, we're going to say, in big black outline graffiti letters, write the name, and let's just say her name is Crystal. At the bottom. Alright, so it finished generating. Looks really, really good. It's an exact match. And then let me check this prompt. In big black outline graffiti letters, write the name Crystal at the bottom. We're going to click send. And now we're going to see what it does at the bottom. While that's generating, let's get our next prompt ready, which is going to be, can you put it in a PDF for me? So we're going to have that ready. so it started generating. Let's watch the magic happen. This is so cool and exciting. And this is a new feature in ChatGPT. So I'm assuming over time it's going to get, it's going to become way more advanced than what it is now. But this is like amazing. Okay, so it's adding details. So while it's still doing that, let's peek back up at this one. I mean, that looks really, really good. Look at that. Okay, so it says finishing touches. Look at that. How cool is that? So now we're going to ask Chat, can you put in a PDF for me? And then it's going to put it inside a PDF, and you have your coloring page all ready to go. Okay. So let's see. It says analyzing. And there you have it. It has the coloring page, and all I have to do is just download it, and it's all set to go. That took less than, 5 minutes? All right, so happy creating, and thank you for tuning in.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching.